Hi guys. In this video I will take about amazing top 10 thread repair kits. I hope this video will help you to make the right decision. If so, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Also turn notification on to receive amazing top 10 products videos. Cozy Metric Thread Repair Toolkit. This 131-piece thread repair toolkit by Cozy includes bits, taps, and inserts in the 5 most needed metric sizes. The installation tools in this helicoil kit are constructed from high-speed steel for superior handling, while the inserts are heated-treated 45 steel for greater strength and longevity in place, ideal for restoring stripped or damaged internal threads as well as for performing maintenance work to protect any threads from wear and tear. Hiking Tool Thread Repair Kit. This thread repair kit is for M8 to repair damaged or worn out threads. Made of high-speed steel and red color plastic handle, sturdy and durable in use. It can be used in daily repair, car repair, drilling machine, etc. Ideal for engine repair and other automotive applications. For restoring the damaged threads. The thread repair kit, including thread inserts, drill bit, thread tap, insert installation, lug breaking tool, allow you have smooth repairing experience. HORUSDY 131 PC Thread Repair Kit. This thread repair kit is used to repair or replace damaged or stripped internal screw threads. Ideal for restoring damaged threads, suitable for engine repair and other automotive applications. The kit has altogether 131 pieces, all made according to professional standard. Lieutenant has 1 HSS tap for each size, 1 HSS drill for each size, 2 insert tools for each size, thread inserts for each size, all come complete in a handy storage case. All tools were packed in a convenient steel carrying case, easy and fast in collecting and placing the tools. SEDY 131 pieces thread repair kit. This thread repair kit is used to repair or replace damaged or stripped internal screw threads. Ideal for restoring damaged threads, suitable for engine repair and other automotive applications. The kit has altogether 131 pieces, all made according to professional standard. Lieutenant has 1 HSS tap for each size, 1 HSS drill for each size, 2 insert tools for each size, thread inserts for each size, all come complete in a handy storage case. TIME-SERT M8 x 1.25 Thread Repair Kit PN 1812. TIME-SERT M8 x 1.25 Thread Repair Kit PN 1812 includes drill, conner bore, tap, install driver 5 inserts 11.7 mm length. The best thread repair on the market today. Solid bushing, self-locking, positive placement repair, made in USA. Helicoil Metric Coarse Thread Repair Kit. Easy and simple use kit. The product is manufactured in China, includes 12 inserts, complete instructions, Helicoil-Type and installation tool used for repairing tapped holes, made from high quality material. Comes in a carded package, easy to use, includes 12 inserts, complete instructions, Helicoil-Type and installation tool used for repairing tapped holes, made from high quality material. Comes in a carded package, easy to use. TIME-SERT Thread Repair Kit 1015 Standard M10 x 1.5 Thread Repair Kit, not for head bolt repair, recommended by leading automotive manufacturers, designed and manufactured in the United States, not for recessed thread head bolt repair. ABN 131-piece Metric Thread Repair Set. The ABN Helicoil Rethreading Tool Kit Metric Strip Thread Repair Kit is a Coarse Threads M5 to M12 Restorer 131-piece set made of chrome vanadium with stainless steel coils to restore damaged threads in steel, cast iron, and aluminum spark plug engine repairs, stripped oil pan drain plugs, and more. Steel carrying case with latch and molded plastic inside tray insert to keep universal thread repair tool pieces separated and easy to access, includes bottom recesses for organizing the coils and included plastic bags. AKM 261 PC Thread Repair Kit. This thread repair kit is used to repair or replace damaged or stripped internal screw threads. Suitable for engine repair and other automotive applications. The kit is altogether 261 pieces, including insert installations, wire thread inserts, twist drill bits, thread taps, lug breaking tools that allow you to have a smooth repairing experience. All made according to professional standard. All tools were packed in a convenient carrying case, easy and fast in collecting and placing the tools. Each accessory has its place. Inserts will even be packaged in separate boxes. Cozy 262 PC Metric and SEDY Thread Repair Kit HSS Drill Helicoil Kit. And standard. The installation tools in this helicoil kit are constructed from high-speed steel for superior handling, while the inserts are heated-treated 45 steel for greater strength and longevity in place. 2 convenient carrying cases hold and organize all the parts for easy transport and storage between jobs, on the site, The drill bits quickly create room for the installation tools to smoothly fit the inserts that repair your old threading. The break-off tools clean things up for use.